and no ticket. Okay, one piece rubber, one piece rope, one piece dry fish head attached with sticks. Okay, and one piece bent 6M rod. Push it. Done. Okay, now trap is ready. Trap is ready to catch the cat. Okay, let him go.